In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Binance account to Tapswap. So if you don't know how to create a Binance account, I have a video at the description down below. I will also add it to the first comment so you can check it out. All right, now after doing this task, you are going to get 3 million of Tapswap token. All right, so are you ready? If you're ready, let's get into it. All right, so all you have to do is just click on the task section. Now you can see we have the Binance registration, right? Just click on that. Now all you have to do is just click on the go, the first one. Just click on the go. So when you click on it, you'll be taken to Binance official app, right? Okay, so if you don't have the app, you'll be taken to Play Store to download the app. You understand? So you can follow the video at the description to learn how to create an account with Binance. All right, so now the second one, you just have to complete your KYC. You just have to click on the go. You'll be taken to the app after your registration. Then you complete your KYC with your ID card and your face. Okay, then after that you come and click on check. So when you click on the first check, I'm sure you will be asked to you'll be given some time for them to check. Okay, so the countdown will finish, and when it finishes, click on check again and everything will be fine. All right, so I'm going to click on check on the complete the KYC. Now after you have after you are done with the register on Binance and they complete the KYC step, then all you have to do is open the Binance app, which is this. Okay, then you just have to click on this. Okay, this icon over here, just click on that. All right, so after that you just have to copy this ID. Okay, that is your Binance ID, right? So click on this small thing over here, this small little thing over here, just click on that. Okay, and that is going to be copied. You can see Binance ID copied. All right, so that's it. Let's go back to the Tapswap app. All right, then let's post it here, or let's paste it here. Paste, then click on submit. Then you can see finish mission. Just click on finish mission, and you can see congratulations, you have successfully completed this mission, or the mission. So you have gotten 3 million of the Tapswap coins. So I'm going to click on claim, and you can see it's done now. So back to this side, you can see I have 27 million of the Tapswap coins now. All right, so if you are new to this YouTube channel, give me a subscribe, like this video, and also leave a comment at the comment section. Make sure you check out the Binance video and other related content. Thank you, and let's meet in the next videos. Goodbye.